Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add doodles and drawings to your video on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and within the create new section tap on the video button, select your video. And after that, click on the sticker button down below, which is the third option, and tap on Doodle. Here you can set the size of the tool that you are going to draw with. Also, you can select the color on the other slide. Here you can see the type of tool that you are going to draw with, and here you can see how it looks like. So feel free to draw and create doodles. If you want to, you can also use the eraser button on the left side of the screen to get rid of certain parts of your drawing. When you are done, tap on the checkmark icon on the right side of the screen and you will be able to resize and place it within the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.